Hello everyone, if you can't install anything from the Microsoft Store, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying error on Microsoft Store. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here run, and then you're going to write here reg edit, you're going to click yes on here, and then you're going to go into HKey local machine, and then you're going to go into system, then you're going to go into current control set, then you're going to go into services, you're going to scroll down here. Then you're going to go into app XSVC, and at the right window, you're going to double click on start. You're going to make sure this value is set to 2. You're going to press OK, and then you're going to close this up. You're going to restart your computer. And after you're done with the restart, now when you open up Microsoft Store and you try to install anything from the Microsoft Store, you'll see that you can easily install any applications you want and you won't get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.